Hello everyone. Here we've got an example of a very simple scalar page, and you are looking at the home page, sometimes called the index or the landing page. In this brief video introduction, I'm going to do some screen sharing here and show you how to create a table of contents and also a path for your viewers and your readers to be able to navigate your project successfully. So I'm assuming that you have used the plus icon up here in the toolbar to add different kinds of content to your work. And if you go into your wrench icon, that'll take you to the dashboard, and you can take a look at the pages that you have created. They're all nicely assembled here. And if you needed to make any corrections in terms of spelling or anything like that, you could hit the edit button and it would allow you to do that. Just save your changes. So we want to create a table of contents because if we go back to the project here, over here in what's called the hamburger icon or the table of contents feature, you see that there's really nothing in here yet. Nothing's been populated in the table of contents. So we are going to go once again back to the dashboard, and we're going to go about the middle of your screen where it says Add Table of Contents item. So we'll click on that link. We'll go to the pages, and I'm going to select the pages that I would like to appear in my table of contents. So that's Alpine Huts and Media Gallery with pop-up annotations. I think let's put in, here is the Refugio, and let's put in long block quotation format. We'll also put in at the end of our project a Creative Commons license, which I've already uploaded. You'll notice that I have left unchecked the index page because that's your landing page, your home page, and you don't want to have your reader go there twice. You don't want that to appear twice in your table of contents. So you want to leave that one unchecked. Don't worry about the order here because you will be able to change the order in just a moment. So let's click on the lower right hand corner, the blue button, Add Selected. And now you'll see that you could at any point add more table of contents items, more pages that you've created. And here's the place where it's very, very easy to just hover over any of your pages and drag them in the order that you would like. So I want Media Gallery with pop-up annotations to appear first. And then next is Alpine Huts. Next is here is the Refugio. Next is long block quotation format. And last is Creative Commons. When you've got them in the order that you'd like, go down again and save in the lower right-hand corner. Now go back to your project, and you'll be able to see that you now have a beautiful table of contents, which has been created by Scalar. You also want to make your reader's experience really fluid and enjoyable. And to help your reader navigate, you want to issue a call to action here on your home page. That's where I am. I'm at the landing page here. And not only a call to action, but you want to help create a path for your reader to navigate through your project. You want to guide them page by page. So since you are here at your home page, go ahead and click on the pencil icon, and you'll open up the rich text editor box. Just keep scrolling down, and you are going to go under the tab Relationships, click on Path. And here you are prompted to once again choose the pages that you would like to have appear in your path. So we're going to click on that link, choose the items, and again, doesn't matter in what order because you'll be able to rearrange them. And you'll notice here again that I am skipping the home page or the index page because I don't want to navigate, bring my readers twice to that page. It's a little confusing for them. So click on the 5 pages that you wanted, and then definitely click on Add Selected. Once again, you have the ability to drag these into the correct order, and sometimes it helps, especially if you have a more complex project. Make sure that you've written these down once you've created your table of contents so that your path replicates exactly your table of contents. So you might have a little note next to you so that you can check, cross-reference to make sure everything is in the right order. We've got media gallery, yes. Alpine huts, yes. Here is the Refugio. What long quotation format looks like. And lastly, Creative Commons. And go down to the lower right-hand corner, Save and View. Okay, and you'll notice that what's come onto your landing page is a call to action. Your reader, your viewers are invited to enter your project. So they are prompted to begin with the first page, which looks like this. It's a media gallery where I'm demonstrating how to use pop-up annotations. I will be showing you that in a next brief video, but this is kind of a cool feature. Very easy to use. You could have this quite long. You could have a very, very long paragraph in your annotation. We'll look at that next time. This invites the reader to click through a series of images and your own analysis or your own annotations. Once readers have looked at that and appreciated your work there, you're prompting them to continue to the next segment, which is another page, another way of creating annotations. And this is where you can do your analysis or a long annotation right underneath the image rather than having it up here in the hyperlink. And you can click through that. We can see different, very, very brief annotations here, but everything you'll notice is correctly cited, and we're giving credit to the photographers who have kindly made these images available to us. Clicking through to the next page. This is a rather interesting feature because it's a new feature in Scalar. It allows you, whoa, sorry folks, it allows you directly to draw a box around the image that you'd like to talk about, and then also to embed an annotation there. I'm going to click back onto that page, and I think I'm going to go navigate one more forward. All right, there's one more cool feature, well, many cool features, but there's another one here that I can demonstrate later on, how to insert long block quotations. And lastly, you'll see our path is taking us to the conclusion where, in fact, we've shown how we would like to have our work cited and our work used. So that's it. That's how you create a table of contents over here. Remember, you create the table of contents from your dashboard, which can be accessed by the wrench icon. You are prompted down here in the middle of the page to add table of contents item. I went back and I clicked on pages. I selected the pages that I wanted. I saved that, and then I created my table of contents. We've also seen how to create a path. And we have done that from the landing page, clicking on the pencil icon, the edit button up here, and then going down into the tab relationships, clicking on path, and once again, we add more content, and we can put these in any order that we would like, and then we're going to save that, and voila, you have a beautiful path. Since we're not creating a new path, we'll just go ahead and cancel that page out. But you can see once again that you're prompting your readers to engage with this project and go forward. Your readers can also, by the way, leave little comments here for you if they want to add their voice to the dialogue or comment on in any way on your projects. We'll just click through again the blue bars showing how the path is working to engage your readers. Back on this one. And we're coming down to the end, lastly, of the Creative Commons license. Okay, that's it for table of contents and paths. Thanks for listening.